Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are replacing the 80 tires from my Duster with some winter dedicated tires. The same model, Riken SUV Snow, that I've used on my previous Duster. I made this decision because the 80 tires don't perform as expected, and you probably saw on my previous videos the car overall struggles on off-roading, on ice, snow, or even deep snow, and because of that I've decided that I need some different tires. Of course, the tires are not the main reason why this happens. There are other reasons, like the torque of the car that is different than the one on the diesel. So you have to rev the engine a little bit more. This way you lose the grip, and as you can see in this video, you have problems going through some sections, especially when the snow is very wet, and if the wheel turns one time or two times, the snow turns into ice. So I got these set of tires from today's sponsor, www.e-pneu.ro. On that website you can find various tires, various rims, and of course snow chains that we might test out if it will snow in our area and we will have a deep layer of snow, and probably we'll need some snow chains, but that's something for the future. Just for comparison, this is how the 80 tire looks like after 7,000 kilometers and around 6 months of use. I can honestly say that the older version did better in my testing, because I've used it from May, and I made more off-road drives in that period of time, and I can remember that I've used it in the winter as well, for the whole winter. This is how the back tire looks like. As soon as the snow will melt in the spring, I will put these tires back on the car, but right now I'm using these ones, and I hope it will do a good job. So if you want to buy it, be sure to use the link in the video description. And right now let's install it on my new set of rims, or at least on my second-hand set of rims, which are not different this time. This is how the rims are. Yeah, we have 4 alloy rims, 16-inch. These are not made for Dacia Duster. I bought them for a cheap price, around 125 euros. This one is a little bent, but I hope I can fit the snow tires on it. They look very nice. We have enough space to clear it up after an off-road drive, if some snow will gather in this area. And the ET, which is the most important, is 50. This means that we have to install it using the wheel spacer. I was thinking of installing it without the wheel spacers, but in this case, with the ET 50, we might not have enough space between the tire and the shock absorber. Also, we need these lining circles, these lining rings, because the overall diameter of the hole is 0.2 or 0.1 millimeters bigger than the ones on my Duster. So let's go on and fit them on the car, and I will show you how my new Duster looks like after we installed all 4 of them. This one is a little bent, but there's no problem, because we will definitely paint it or scratch it more on our off-road journeys from now on. So the installation of the winter tires is complete. This is how the car looks like now with these 16-inch alloy wheels, alloy rims. They are worn, scratched, bent a little bit, but there's no problem. We are going to use it in off-roading, so if I bought a new set, it would have looked like this after 1 month, I guess, or a few off-road drives. We have to find new caps. These ones are not the Dacia ones, as you can see. If those on the new Duster will fit this hole, it will be perfect. I will buy 4 of them and use it to replace these ones. Right now I have 2.3 bar of air pressure in the tires. On our next off-road drive I will lower it to 1.5 if needed, and of course I will show it to you because I have this tool right here. Let me just show it to you. Yeah, we have this pressure meter, and hopefully these winter tires will do a much better job in off-roading situations on snow than the 80 tires I've used so far. My next important thing I want to do with my Duster is replace the oil and the oil filter. I was planning on doing it at 10,000 kilometers, but my friends are keep telling me to do it as soon as possible because it's better for the engine. So in a few days, maybe 1 or 2 weeks after the holidays, I will also replace the oil and the oil filter, and of course I will show you how the oil looks like, how much oil I have in my engine, and other important information. I want to thank again to today's sponsor, e-pneu.ro. If you want to order something, you have the link in the video description. Of course, on the site you can find various tire models, rims, snow chains, and many more, so be sure to check it out. Yeah, so thank you for watching, thank you for supporting me. The past 6 months were amazing. I really like this car and I hope it will do a far better job with the winter dedicated tires now that the snow is falling, and I have so many plans, so many videos to do with various cars, comparison, and so on. Until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.